Lake Elementaita is also designated as a Ramsar site and an important bird area, and primarily for the lesser flamingos.
Places where the birds can actually be welcome are fewer and fewer. So every place where birds are nurtured and the migratory birds are nurtured are special places, and Suisambu here is one of those.
Under the theme Networking for Migratory Birds, World Migratory Bird Day 2013 aimed to raise awareness about the need to conserve migratory birds and their habitats. The first sub-regional event was held in Naivasha, Kenya, as a priority activity in the framework of the AEVA Plan of Action for Africa. It was organised by the Kenya Wildlife Service in collaboration with the UNEP AEVA Secretariat and funded by the German government. Over 300 guests joined the local community in this inspiring celebration.